Penetration testers, often referred to as pentesters, utilize a variety of programming languages based on the nature of the test, the systems involved, and the vulnerabilities they aim to exploit. While not every pentester will have deep knowledge of all of these languages, having familiarity with them can be beneficial. Here are some key programming languages useful for pentesters. Python. 1. Why? Python is one of the most popular languages among pentesters due to its simplicity, vast libraries, and versatility. 1. It's used to automate tasks, develop tools, and script exploits. Bash, shell scripting. 1. Why? Linux, Unix environments are common in enterprise networks. 1. Bash or shell scripting can help automate tasks, process text, or even exploit certain types of vulnerabilities. JavaScript. 1. Why? For web application testing, understanding JavaScript is crucial, especially when dealing with cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerabilities or other client-side attacks. PHP. 1. Why? A large number of web servers use PHP. 1. Being familiar with it helps when testing web applications or servers that use PHP, especially for vulnerabilities like remote code execution or file inclusion. SQL. 1. Why? SQL injection, SQLI, is a common web application vulnerability. 1. Knowledge of SQL helps exploit and mitigate these types of vulnerabilities. C++. 1. Why? Understanding C and C++ is crucial when dealing with buffer overflows, stack-based attacks, or other memory corruption vulnerabilities. 1. Many system tools and software applications are written in these languages. Java. 1. Why? Java is widely used in web applications, Android apps, and various enterprise software. 1. Knowledge of Java can help in identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in systems that run Java code. Ruby. 1. Why? Some pentesting tools, like Metasploit, are written in Ruby. 1. Familiarity with Ruby can help customize or extend these tools. Perl. 1. Why? Older scripts and tools may be written in Perl. 1. While it's not as popular as it once was, Perl is still occasionally encountered, especially in legacy systems. HTML, CSS. 1. Why? While not programming languages in the traditional sense, understanding HTML and CSS is essential for web application testing and crafting certain types of attacks or payloads. 1. PowerShell. 1. Why? PowerShell is a powerful scripting language for Windows administration. 1. Malicious PowerShell scripts are commonly used in attacks, so understanding it is essential for both offensive and defensive cybersecurity. 1. Assembly. 1. Why? For those delving deep into vulnerability research, exploit development, or reverse engineering, understanding assembly language, especially for architectures like x86 or ARM, is valuable. While knowing these languages can be immensely beneficial, it's essential to understand that tools, methodologies, and a mindset of curiosity and persistence are equally important in the field of penetration testing. Kali Linux. 2. The gold standard. Kali comes loaded with hundreds of pre-installed tools for hackers and pentesters. Parrot Security OS. 2. Light, versatile, and made for security experts. 2. Parrot is both a workstation and an arsenal. Black Arch Linux. 2. A pentesting giant with over 2,000 plus tools. 2. Perfect for experts. Pentoo. 1. Gentoo based. Pentoo offers advanced tools and is perfect for those familiar with Gentoo. Backbox Linux. 1. Clean, fast, and with its own software repository, Backbox is another strong contender.